Okay, so boom. Welcome back. Day 2 of 30 days of pouring into ourselves. And yes, I changed the name because this just resonates more. And I feel like you feel me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so today we're actually diving in. We're gonna go into some affirmations and I'm gonna give you some homework. Right now, I'm gonna say drop in the comment section below how you're feeling and what you've done for yourself today. Because the point of this challenge, or whatever you want, a series, is to make sure that you are making yourself a priority. That doesn't mean you're not taking into account that you care about other people and you want to share stuff with them and you want to pour into them too. That is great. You can pour into yourself as well as other people. The importance is making sure that you feel empowered every day in little ways, okay? Are you here with me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Okay, so today the homework will be to list out what you have to do for the day and write 1, 2, or 3. 1 being this is your top priority. This means your top priority means that it is also pouring into you, serving you as well. Because we can list out what we have to do for the day and not realize that half the things we have to do are an errand for this person or this person, and that's okay. That is okay. But the reason why people feel like they haven't done anything or accomplished something at the end of the day is because they didn't feel like they did anything to satiate their needs or what they wanted to do, their desires. So for you, I want you, when you list out what you have to do for the day, you need to put either a smiley, an emoji, whatever next to the things that you really want to make sure you get done, because they will make you feel like you accomplished something today. That is very important, because how you feel about today can pour into tomorrow, and we don't want that tomorrow. We don't want, because you didn't get to it today, then you didn't get to it tomorrow, and now all of a sudden you just stop doing it. It's just like learning a skill. And if you want me to learn a skill with you, to learn a skill and keep on it to inspire you to do the same, I could do that. We could do that. That's cool. That means I have to make time for something. You know what I mean? And making time for something is the true test of accountability, time management. I could go on and on. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. But today, that's not what we're doing. That's our homework. Start doing that. Start your mornings off with thinking about, okay, how can I pour into me today? Because when you pour into you, it gives you the confidence and it just makes you feel really good, okay? I feel like I'm about to go on a tangent and I know I can chat. So today, one thing I'm proud of that I accomplished today was putting on sunscreen, because I love the sun and I'd be going in the sun and then I'd be like, oh man, I forgot to use my moisturizer with the sunscreen, or I forgot to put on sunscreen, and I did that today. What are you proud of that you've done so far today? I don't know if it's your lunch break right now or if you finished for the day, whatever you got going on. What are you proud of that you accomplished today? Tell me. Okay, so now 3 minutes in, whew, this is only 10 minutes max. 10 minutes out of your day to pour into you max. Not max, you can always do more. But for the people that feel like they don't have time and whatever, this is for you. So we're jumping into the affirmations. Today, we are talking about, what do you want to talk about? I don't know, but let's just go. We're gonna use some of that energy from the full moon and capitalize on releasing and moving forward and calling abundance into our life. There we go. Okay. I release anything and everything that doesn't serve me anymore as I walk into this new season of life. This is where you repeat after me. I call in abundance into my life. I am happy and excited about the changes that I'm making in my life. And I can see how they are empowering me in little ways every single day. I feel so blessed to be who I am and live right here in the now. I am honored to continue to pour into myself, to be able to pour into myself every single day. I feel so great about everything that is happening in my life right now. I know that no matter what I've been through, I still have the tools, the confidence, the power to move forward and make each day better than the last. Ooh, I know you felt that one. I am thriving. And no matter what I do, I can never fail. Failure has no home here. Everywhere I go, I find peace and joy. The right people are entering my life in this season to cater to me and to bless me through and through. Today, I am choosing to win because that is the only option that is here for me. I pray that wherever I go, I am blessed and highly favored. Right here and now, I am so proud of myself for everything I've accomplished and everything that I'm going to accomplish. Yeah, say that one with some stamina. Mean it. Here and now, I am taking the space to be present and to trust in my purpose, no matter what it looks like, no matter what the journey looks like. Here and now, I'm pouring into myself every single day to know that I have the power and the strength to elevate my current situation. From the minute I wake up to the moment I go to sleep, I spend each bit of the day saying thank you, extending gratitude. And as I express gratitude, I allow that gratitude to pour back into me and wash over me. I allow people to say wonderful things about myself and to do wonderful things for me because I deserve it. And do. And you do. I say thank you whenever someone does something for me. I say thank you to my Creator, to God, to Source, every single day. Because every day that I get to live is a blessing. And is. And is. Today, I am seizing the day by taking time and space to evaluate what change I want to come into my life and go after it. And I understand that that change is coming in here and now. That change is blessing my situation. That change is building the strength within me. It's unleashing the fire that I have. I know that was a long one. Today, I am thankful. Today, I say that no matter what struggles come my way, I will continue to keep hope alive, to keep going, and to make sure that I do not stop. Success is on its way to me. Abundance is on the horizon. Every day I show up for me as me because I am loved wholly, entirely as myself. I do not need anyone or anything to feel good about my situation. I use my resources to move forward. I accept help as it shows up and understand, know, believe, and trust that help will always find its way to me. No matter where I am. And with that I say, may all my wishes come to fruition. Ashe, ashe. Amen. I hope you go about your day with grace and know that every single day there is something that you can do, whether it's watch this video, drop a comment, that you can do every single day to feel empowered and feel good about the change that is happening for you, not to you. You don't need for it to happen to you. It's going to happen regardless. But you want to embrace change and feel good about it so that when it comes in, you're not scared and you don't self-sabotage. Because we know what that feels like, okay? Well, I don't know if you know, but I know what it feels like. And we don't want to continue that pattern. So let's break these patterns. Let's continue to pour into ourselves together and make each day better than the last, okay? I'll see you later. Bye.